Hey guys, and welcome to Boolean Video Kids, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the last data type in Python data types. Before we start guys, my Instagram will be somewhere on the screen right now. Go ahead, please follow that, and let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, Booleans are the last thing we are going to be covering for these data types. From the beginning of the channel, we started with data types from integers and floating points, and now we're in Booleans. Now, what are Booleans? Now, they are outputs that either say the equation or the code is true or false. So we can see, for example, I have my new code right here. Let's say 1 is greater than 2. Now, if we run this, we're gonna get an output that's saying it's false. Why? Because 1 is not greater than 2. But if we say 2 is greater than 1, we are going to get true, because the equation is true. Now, this can go crazy. For example, let's do two variables. We can say a is equal to, let's say, 7, and b is equal to 7.001, like. Now, I can say a is greater than b, and it's gonna give me a false output. Why? Because a is not greater than b. As you guys saw, we just use variables. You can use absolutely anything in there. For example, I can say, let's say a, actually, yeah, let's say c is equal to 2. Now I can say a is greater than c. Why? Because it's true. This is pretty much it. This lesson is really short, and it's really simple. It's whether the output is true or false. For example, 1 is not greater than 2, so it's false. 2 is greater than 1, so it's true. Now, at first, you guys might not use this a lot, but as we get on to the new codes, we're going to be using them a lot more. And guys, we finished the what do you call that? The non-fun part, let's say. Starting from the next video, we're going to be covering up things that are really fun. Like, we're going to be drawing shapes, making games and all. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and like the video and subscribe, and see you guys in a brand new video.